Alright guys, welcome back to another video. Today on the channel, I'm going to be diving back into the Challenger tuning. I invested, as you saw in the video before, in the PCM. I did an install video. If you haven't already checked that out, or you're wondering what I have done, check out the video last week that I showed how to install the modded PCM, and today we're going to be looking at the Diablo tuner. Talked about in the past videos I made of, possible tuning and stuff like that, and the steps you need to take, and sort of some pros and cons, but today I am showing you how to work with the Diablo tuner, Intune i3, basics tuning that you can do. I'll make a video in the future about in-depth tuning, but today, so I'm just going to be showing you basic tuning you do with the tuner. Like I said, Intune i3, as you can see. So if you guys have not already subscribed to the channel, I am sitting in my 2015 Dodge Challenger RT 8-speed transmission automatic. I'm sitting in the car, no windows open because it is windy as shit outside. So if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel. If you enjoy my content, like the videos, comment down below if this video was helpful at all, and let's jump into it. So as soon as you plug in your i3 tuner to your OBD2 port, if you're not sure about where you plug in this tuner, check out the video I posted of my opinions on tuning and stuff and how to add easy horsepower. I go in depth of the tuner itself here and my opinions on it, but today is just going to be a quick tutorial on how to start and do your bass tunes and along those lines. So as soon as you plug it in, it comes up, it loads up the device. You don't have to do anything to power it on. You don't have to have your car on. As you can see, I'm not running, it's completely off, car is completely shut down. So it gives you this basic, do you agree with these terms, read it. It's just telling you basically not to drive and tune your car because that is stupid. So once you hit yes, you are prompted with three options: tune vehicle, scan tool, and settings. Today we're going to be just looking at tune vehicle. I'll make another video in the future going more in depth of the i3 tuner. So once we hit tune your vehicle, okay, it gives you with an option. Please ensure key is in the run position, but do not start the engine. So we're gonna go ahead and hit that twice. Put you in the run. Turn that down. Okay, continue. It's going to load up. Please wait. Once that loads, we are presented with another three options. We have Easy Tune, Advanced Tune, and Restore Backup. So I actually already tuned this. I just put a basic tune on, which I'll show you here in a second. So pretty much it starts out, you just start with Easy Tune. Once you install your first tune on it, you can then unlocks your Advanced Tune and your Restore Backup. The Advanced Tune, you can enter that and go through and tweak the factory tunes that comes with the Diablo tuner. But today, like I said, we're just going to start with Easy Tune. So the options that come with my car are 93 and 91 octane. So those are your pump gas, the higher octane pump gas. The Challenger, the orange Challenger that you've seen on my channel, that gave me, and actually, as you can see, there's other options here, but they're blurred out. You have your 87 octane and your MPG boost. They are unavailable on this select tune. So what you're gonna have to go ahead and do is pick your whichever your pump gas is available. I did 93 because 93 is available for me. So once you hit 93, please wait, it says. Okay, it just another prompt telling you it's designed to add torque and horsepower, some fuel economy. You can pause the video and read that if you want. It's no big deal. Just telling you what you're getting into pretty much. So go ahead and say yes, you select tune. Okay, and then it brings you to your options. Install standard tune, or you can modify the parameters. So what you can go ahead and do is just install standard tune. Okay, so when you load up through there and install the standard tune, it gives you with your three options. Your performance transmission tune, you can modify the stock tune, or you can skip it all in general. So with the 93 octane, it's already going to add on a tune for it. So what I'm going to do is hit the preferred transmission tune, so that it tunes my transmission as well as the stock computer on the PCM. So we're going to hit yes, you select tune. No, I don't need to change tire size. Remove speed limiter. Yep, you can do that too. Please wait. Diablo tune, speed limiter removed. Install this tune. Go ahead and hit yes. Okay, next option, hit yes. And there it goes, right in the tune. As you can see, my car's freaking out. Something's going on. Don't need to worry about that. Okay, that says press clutch pedal and push button in an automatic. That's when you can tell it's really messing with your car. Just takes a couple minutes here to write your tune. Not a couple minutes, to say a couple seconds. As you can see, it's loading. There's stuff going on. You can see all my lights flashing here on the dash. Just tuner at work, modifying the PCM and the TCM, as I said. Okay, it says please turn off the ignition. So we'll go ahead and turn her off. Still says press clutch pedal. It's fine. Okay, and we're gonna go ahead and hit continue. It's off. Give us a countdown. Okay, please turn on do not start. So we'll go ahead and hit that twice. Put her in run mode. Give that a second to start up. Continue. We're good. Okay. Please turn off ignition again. Alright. Back off. Hit continue. I must have just bumped it. It's fine. Alright. And now turn it back on. Continue again. That should be that. Okay, so what it's do is exporting the file. What the great thing about this is if you're doing your own custom tuning within the default tunes, you can always go back to your previous tunes. The tuner itself saves the files, so you can always revert back. Here we are writing the TCM, which is the transmission. You can see it's now that's spazzing out. It's giving me a couple error messages. Okay, now that that's finished up, please turn ignition off. Go ahead and turn it off. Hit continue. Okay, back on. And I'm assuming we're going to go back off again. Oh, it's exporting the file. Just like I said before, you can always revert back to your stock tunes or a tune you have done prior. Okay, tuning complete. You may unplug the tool and enjoy you driving your vehicle. Tap continue to reboot. All right, once we hit continue, the whole tool will reboot. We'll turn the car off here. While that reboots, we will see if she starts. Up and running. Make sure we got some throttle. Oh, we got throttle all right. Let's go ahead and turn that off. Okay, and we're back up. You can just this prompt pops up every time, so just go ahead and hit yes. So that is how you use standard tunes just with the i3 tuner. So you can go through now and modify the parameters of your tune if you're into that stuff. If anything happens, you can always go through the tuner itself and revert it back to your stock tune. Everything is stored within the tuner, and you can also, if you hook your tuner up to a laptop, you can pull your data files and all that stuff. Okay guys, with that being said, I hope this video was helpful for you. If you have any questions, comment them down below. I will be making a video in the future of, I will show you, like a POV drive. I will, talk about if this is improved, if it was worth it, see if I can tell. I know the tune only gives you a good 20 horsepower, 20 torque, which isn't going to be very noticeable while you're driving. So if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. I appreciate it so much. Comment your questions down below. Comment down below if this was helpful. I love interacting with you guys. If you made it this far in the video, I appreciate it. Leave a like. Stay safe out there. You guys take care and have a great day.